Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Ethernet is connected but you have no internet access, then watch this video for the resolution. So the first solution to this problem is to run the network and internet troubleshooter. To do that, we right click on the start button, go to settings and click on system, look for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we run the network and internet troubleshooter. So my internet is running, so there's no problems with my network, but if you have any problems with the troubleshoot should find and fix it. The next thing is we will flush the DNS and reset the WinSock and the IP. So how we do that is we'll go to command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, and we will enter the command ipconfig space slash flush DNS flush DNS and space enter. And then again we will enter the command net sh space winsock space reset enter, and then we will reset the IP. So we will type in the command net sh space IP space reset and enter. The next thing to do is we need to enter the DNS of Google. So to do that, we will press the Windows and the R key simultaneously, and we will enter this command ncpa.cpl and press enter. Now we will right click on this active Wi-Fi and click on properties. We will double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and we will input the this Google server by clicking here on this tab. Use the following DNS server addresses, and the Google address is 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server for Google is 8.8.4.4 and click OK. If all this does not solve your problem, if all these solutions does not solve the problem of no internet access, then the final solution is to reset the network, and this should definitely work folks. So to do that, I will right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, click on network and internet, click on advanced network settings and look for the network reset option and click on reset now. Yes, and this should resolve your problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.